Decapitate, DECAPITATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to cut off or remove the head, typically as a form of execution. Example sentence, the executioner used a sharp blade to decapitate the prisoner. Synonyms, behead, execute, guillotine, sever. Antonym, none. Decelerate, DECELERATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to decrease the speed or slow down. Example sentence, the driver had to decelerate when approaching the sharp curve. Synonyms, slow down, reduce speed, slacken, brake. Antonym, accelerate, speed up, hasten. Deciduous, DECIDUOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, describing trees or plants that shed their leaves annually. Example sentence, the deciduous trees in the park turned vibrant colors in the autumn before losing their leaves. Synonyms, leaf shedding, non-evergreen, seasonal. Antonym, evergreen, perennial. Decimate, DECIMATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to destroy, eliminate, or greatly reduce in numbers. Example sentence, the plague decimated the population of the town. Synonyms, destroy, annihilate, devastate, slaughter. Antonym, increase, multiply, replenish. Decipher, DECIPHER. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to decode, interpret, or figure out the meaning of something that is difficult to understand or written in code. Example sentence, the archaeologist managed to decipher the ancient hieroglyphs on the stone tablet. Synonyms, decode, interpret, unravel, translate. Antonym, encode, encrypt, confuse. Declivity, DECLIVITY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a downward slope or incline. Example sentence, the hiker cautiously descended the declivity of the mountain. Synonyms, slope, descent, incline, hillside. Antonym, incline, ascent, hilltop. Décolleté, DECOLLETE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, describing a garment with a low neckline, usually revealing the upper part of a woman's chest and shoulders. Example sentence, she wore a beautiful décolleté gown to the gala event. Synonyms, low cut, plunging neckline, revealing. Antonym, high-necked, covered, modest.
Copyright, Cogent Insights.
Decomposition, DECOMPOSITION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the process of breaking down organic matter into simpler substances, often resulting in decay. Example sentence, the decomposed leaves added nutrients to the soil. Synonyms, decay, rot, breakdown, disintegration. Antonym, preservation, conservation, freshness. Decorous, DECOROUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, showing good manners, proper behavior, and respect for social etiquette. Example sentence, the guests at the formal dinner maintained a decorous demeanor throughout the evening. Synonyms, proper, well-behaved, polite, dignified. Antonym, improper, inappropriate, rude. Decorum, DECORUM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, behavior in keeping with good taste, propriety, and social norms. Example sentence, the etiquette instructor taught the students the importance of decorum in professional settings. Synonyms, etiquette, propriety, manners, protocol. Antonym, rudeness, impropriety, indecency. Decoy, DECOY. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning, a person, object, or action used to lure or entice someone or something into a trap or a desired direction. Example sentence, the hunter set up a decoy to attract ducks into his shooting range. Synonyms, bait, lure, trap, entice. Antonym, none. Decree, decree. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning, an official order or command issued by a legal authority, to formally and authoritatively order or command. Example sentence, the judge issued a decree ordering the immediate halt of construction. Synonyms, order, command, directive, ruling. Antonym, suggestion, request, proposal. Decrepit, decrepit. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, worn out, broken down, or weakened by age or use. Example sentence, the decrepit old house was in need of extensive repairs. Synonyms, dilapidated, run down, deteriorated, rickety. Antonym, sturdy, strong, robust. Decrepitude, decrepitude. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, state of being weakened or worn out due to old age or infirmity. Example sentence, the elderly woman lived in a state of decrepitude, unable to perform daily tasks without assistance. Synonyms, feebleness, frailty, debilitation, infirmity. Antonym, vitality, strength, robustness. Decry, decry. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to publicly criticize, denounce, or express strong disapproval of something. Example sentence, the activists decried the government's decision to cut funding for education. Synonyms, condemn, denounce, censure, criticize. Antonym, praise, applaud, commend.